Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm basically just going to be doing my nails using this system. These are all Beetles products. So here we have just this Beetles gel manicure kit or gel polish kit. And then we have the top coat and the base coat. And then we have something I'm very excited about. This is, I believe, this is their new nail tips and glue set. And it's supposed to be a dupe for the Apres gel extension set. This is what it comes with. So it comes with just a bunch of nail tips in different sizes. Then it also comes with this really cute little LED lamp, and then it also comes with, they call it nail glue, for you to just be able to put the tips on. So what I'm gonna be doing is just applying these. This one I bought for $19.99, so I'm excited to try that. But then I'm also using this Beetles polish set. It comes with 6 different colors. This is the one that I chose because I love neutrals. So let's see what colors I decide to go with today, if I want to do something plain and simple or if I want to spice it up a little bit. And then this is what the base coat and top coat kit comes with. So it has 3 different polishes. This is a foundation coat, and then it also comes with 2 top coats. One is shiny and one is matte. I'm probably not going to be using the matte today, and I'm probably going to be sticking with this one. Along with that, I also have my nail lamp that I also got from Amazon. So everything that you see here I picked up from Amazon. And the last thing is just this nail file kit. I bought this from Amazon as well, just because I am going to be changing the shape of these nails. This is what they look like so far. So they're just a basic, I don't know if you can see that, just a basic coffin shape gel tip. And I don't want coffin today, but they didn't have the option for almond. So first things first, I'm just gonna pick my size. As you can see, it comes in 0 through 10. Okay, so here is the application guide for the nail tips. Has cute little pictures and everything. So it just says to file, shape, and buff nails. So let me just start off with buffing my nail on the outside. Take an appropriate amount of nail glue gel and apply it on the false tip. So I'm gonna do that to my pinky just to start off. This is my first time doing this, so I'm not exactly sure. Okay, this is actually a little hard. Okay, so this is the first one on. I definitely need some practice on here, but this is what it looks like so far. Okay, so all the nails are on. This was a little bit tricky to put on because it's hard to multitask, putting the nail on, keeping it steady, and using the nail lamp. So I definitely got some air bubbles, and I definitely had to file off some of the sides because I did get some gel spillage. But now I have them all on. So I'm just going to use my nail lamp to cure further. I'm just going to clip a little bit and file my nail to how I want it to be. Okay, so now I have them shaped to almonds like I wanted, and now I'm just going to paint them. I think I'm just gonna go a little bit simple today with the color. These colors, as you can see, are very, very opaque. They are not see-through at all. So I am just gonna go with this color right here. It is called A414. So I don't need the base coat or the foundation because I'm not using my natural nails. So I'm just gonna put it right on to the nail. Okay, so this is what the nails are looking like. And this is with 2 coats. Now I would leave it here, but I think I want to do a little design. So I'm just going to do a little twist on the French tip with this deep brown color. So let's see what I can do here. I'm going to be curing finger by finger as I do this design, just so that they won't get messed up. So this is what we are looking like. I am by no means a pro at all, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different. So now I'm just gonna do this same thing with the other hand and then apply top coat. Okay, so here are both of the hands. Now what I'm just going to do is apply some top coat just to finish it off. So here it is. So here is how my nails turned out. Pretty good. This system was a bit tricky to use when putting these nails on. You definitely get some spillage on the side if this is your first time and you're getting used to it. And it's a little bit tricky to be able to multitask with the light, but I think once you get them on, then it just makes manicures so easy. And I love this just gel polish. It is so good, and I've worn it before and it lasts without chipping. And it's just so easy to use. I'm very happy with both of these kits, and I will definitely be using it a lot to save myself some money at the nail salon. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.